Hello to everyone and welcome to my first video on this channel. Let's see how everything works out, but I can promise at least the topic will definitely be interesting. Because in this video I want to give a quick overview of the upcoming cybersecurity tutorials on this channel. It's a project I had in mind for quite a while, because in the past I was searching for videos about the topic for myself. And I wasn't able to find much on YouTube. There of course is some really high quality educational content, but it's always about more specific fields in cybersecurity, like ethical hacking for example. If you look for theoretical foundations to really understand what's going on, no chance. So I thought, let's do it myself, and I planned Kickstart to cybersecurity. Here I want to introduce you to all the basics of cybersecurity, really explaining everything from scratch and keeping it super simple. Although there will definitely be some really difficult topics. I think if you start from zero and go from there, even the most complex topic can be explained in a simple way. So hang on and let me tell you why you should take this course. As I said, I want to start this short introduction with a list of reasons why it can make sense for you to learn about cybersecurity. And the first one is maybe the most obvious one, the job opportunities. The job market for security experts is exploding currently. Everybody talks about cybersecurity. It's one of the biggest buzzwords at the moment, and I'm pretty sure it is not only a hype. While doing some research for this course, I found a study which says that cybersecurity jobs have been doubled in the last years. And also in direct comparison to other IT jobs, the cybersec job market is growing 3 times faster. So from this pure job-oriented perspective, of course it makes sense. But you don't have to work directly in cybersecurity to face security-related issues. And here we come to reason number 2. The increasing numbers of cyber attacks affect every IT-related position. If you are a web developer, for example, your work can be a target, and that's why you have to somehow ensure your written code is secure. Same thing as a network administrator. If you have no idea about cybersecurity, how will you be able to protect your company's network from possible intruders? I probably cannot go on with every other IT job. A basic knowledge about cybersecurity is a must in this highly connected times. And let me give you some numbers to underline what I've just said. The University of Maryland found out that there are on average more than 2,000 cyber attacks a day. This is one attack every 39 seconds, which means there have been 4 more attacks since the beginning of the video. Insane! The third reason is, once again, the global COVID-19 pandemic.
Boo!
I know you probably are sick of it, but since all companies try to somehow go on with their business as usual, they have to build complex digital infrastructures to enable their employees to work from home. Big tech companies such as Google or Facebook may be well prepared, but small companies are facing huge challenges, especially regarding security. So getting knowledge about cybersecurity might be more valuable than ever before. And let's finish with fourth, the shortest reason. Cybersecurity is really exciting.
Okay.
So I hope I could convince you to take part in this course, and now I want to give you a short overview of the first topics we will cover together. First, we will start with the security goals. Likely the first lesson in nearly every cybersecurity class out there. And I know it sounds like this regular boring first video explaining some unnecessary terminology, but trust me, it is not. It is probably even the most important video of the whole course, because every following video will be based on protecting or attacking these goals. They will be the foundation for all further explanations. After that, we are going to start with some encryption basics to show how data can be protected. There, I want to introduce the theoretical concept of encryption and give you some understanding when we use it and for what reason. I really want to dive deep into encryption in this course, and therefore it will help to build a solid understanding of the theory right in the beginning. Even though it might be not the most exciting thing to do. But it will get exciting in the third and fourth video. There I want to show you some historic examples called the Caesar and the Visionaire cipher. From today's perspective, they are very insecure and don't meet any requirements of modern encryption. But they are easy to understand and we can try to find some ways to break them. I hope while playing around with these schemes, you will get a first idea of the way crypto analysis works. And are then ready for video number 5, where we have our first encounter with a certainly more secure encryption scheme called the one-time pad. It was used during the Cold War and is regarded as perfectly secure until today. Therefore, we can use it to understand the important concept of perfect secrecy. I think you got an idea in which direction this course is going, and I don't need to list every upcoming topic, but I will try to cover all the basics of cybersecurity as good as possible throughout the course. If I feel like there's some interest in the videos I make about cybersecurity, Kickstart to Cybersecurity will probably be only the first chapter of a more extensive video series, but we will see step by step. For now, there's nothing more to add and I would be happy to see you in the next video on security goals. Adios amigo and until next time.